So, did you know you could schedule reels on Instagram now? So, what you want to do is you're going to click on your profile picture. This is on the mobile app, so you want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. Click. And then once you get to your main page, you'll click on these three little lines up here, and you'll navigate to where it says scheduled content. And then from here, you can just follow the prompts. So where it says, select where it says scheduled now, and you can go in and you can grab the video or the images that you want to schedule. And then you're going to press next. And then you can write your caption here. Testing. You can add your, you can tag your people if you want, tag your products, add location, all those things. And then what you want to do is scroll down to where it says Advanced Settings. Click Advanced Settings. Select where it says Schedule this reel. Pick a time. And you're going to go Set Time. And then you're going to click on the back button here. And you're going to press Schedule. And then you will wait for it to schedule as it loads here. And let's say that you need to reschedule or change something about the reel. So what you want to do is click on your profile picture, go back to the three lines, click on scheduled content, and you'll be able to see your content there that you scheduled. And you can, if you need to delete it or reschedule it, click on the three dots. Oops. Oops. Oh my gosh. Click on the three dots. And you can do delete, edit, post, reschedule, or share now. I'm going to go ahead and delete because this is for test. But anyways, I hope that helps.